Hi guys, it's me and Callie.
Hi.
So everybody was asking how I made this gold vase, so I made a video.
Yep.
And that's it with some LED lights I got from Dollar Tree.
Yep.
So you take any vase that you want and
if you want a rainbow one, you get rainbow spray paint.
Whatever vase you want. A rainbow one, but you just put your hot glue all over it. There's no right or wrong.
Yeah.
That's me putting glue everywhere.
Yeah, but be careful.
Yeah, be careful, but if you mess up, you can get a toothpick or your finger and just peel it off until you spray paint it. It comes off really easy. If you get any of those little strings that come from the glue gun, just take your toothpick and pull them off. That's what I'm doing right now.
Yep.
And I think there's a part that I didn't like. Yeah, not yet. But I'm gonna take it off and show you that it comes off easy.
Yep.
Yep, there it is. Yep. Took it off and fixed it.
Yep.
Then we went outside.
Yep.
We played frisbee that day.
Yeah, it was so much fun.
So much fun.
And I catched it.
And that's the gold metallic spray paint.
Yep.
And that's what it looks like at the end.
Yep.
Hope you guys enjoyed our video.
And stay tuned. Love you.
Stay tuned. There's more to come.
It's about to end.
It's about to end. And that's just another picture of what it looks like. Bye, guys.